Damn, I was lost this morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am back from Paris, ready to rock. And yeah, man, happy to see you once again. And I want to start with apologizing. Oh, Jesus. That's a hard word for a Frenchie this morning. I want to say sorry for not being super clear on my last Forex talk over beer, which had no beer with me, but I was so tired. So I don't know if you watched the last Forex talk over beer, but yeah, not super proud of that one. But hopefully you guys were still able to grab some little good idea out of there. Um, Again, let me just arrange this other computer for one sec. Okay, cool. As you can tell, my voice is a little crashing, and that is due to the fact that we had a massive event in Paris for business, and yeah, it was some big days. So, anyways, happy to see you guys. We're about to get going here on the next Forex live session. Let's see who we have here live with us. We got Krish. Good morning, Sensei. Good morning, Krish. Um, Good morning, Bilal. How are you, bud? We got the G1234. Let's go. Sasha to go. Oh, thank you, man. Good morning. Hey, Rizunge, comment ça va? Amuse-toi. Merci beaucoup. Ouais, faut qu'on se parle. Là. Faut qu'on se parle. Faut que ça bouge. Mais ouais, bien content. Cool. EJ waiting for SOS. Yeah, we'll go check it out. Actually, to be honest, guys, um, I didn't look much at the chart. Not gonna lie. So I'm gonna do that with all of you. So if you have any specific pair, let me know. If you already spot some nice opportunity, let us know, and we'll go check it out all together. Looking good. Okay, cool. So again, guys, hopefully you guys are up for a nice session here, and let's get started. Let's get started. Okay. First, I need to get this banner going so I don't get in trouble. And here we go. Perfect. Comments here. All right. Well, guys, by the way, if it's your first time here, welcome. If you're an existing follower, welcome back. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate notification. As you see, I rarely go on at the exact same time every time. So you want to make sure to activate notification to be notified when I go live. Okay. Especially with the here in Canada, we actually are on daylight saving time. I think was that what they call. Anyway, so we fast forward for 1 hour. So yeah, man, I don't know what happened with Trading View, but look like the chart is so much cleaner right now. Just I don't know. Is that because finally StreamYard finally decided to do 4K? I don't know. Whatever. Okay, guys, let's start with GJ. Let's start with GJ, and don't forget to smash the like button as you coming in, please. That's the only thing I ask. And again, I don't ask that for myself. I personally don't really care about likes. The only reason why I'm asking that is because the more likes goes, of course, we're able to reach out more people and help more people. That's the only reason why I do those live session. It's not for myself. It's actually for yourself, okay, and for people like you, okay. So I don't understand why NZD still selected here when I switch. What's going on here? Okay, let me do a refresh. Okay, here we go. Cool. All right, so we're good to go. Elbow drop like that, but yeah, that's a good one, Krish. Elbow drop like button as you come. Yeah, like I said, smash that like button. All right, cool. Let's get going, guys. Let's get going. Cool. All right, so looking at the DJ pair, we're looking at the weekly time frame. Time frame, sorry. We are bullish. Let me get my tools. Where is wow? Everything is gone. I did the computer upgrade, and I don't know what's going on here. Where is all my tools? Oh, right here. Yeah, they were gone. Okay, cool. All right, so we have the weekly time frame bullish. We're coming down to retest this weekly area of interest, which is also previous structure point that was broken. But look like we probably gonna have a like lower pullback. If you look at our fib here on GJ, we should get down to this 50 or 60 area, which is our golden zone. But yeah, I'm keeping my eye open to see rejection, because if we see rejection at this area also, I'm gonna take it, obviously, because we're retesting weekly area. If you're looking at the daily time frame, the daily now is bearish though. So of course we're gonna have to wait for this time frame to flip back bullish. So let's change that to red. Daily lower low, and we got our daily lower high. Here we go. So now we got the weekly bullish, we got the daily bearish. Looking at the 4 hour now. 4 hour is bearish. Boom, boom. Do we have an elbow here? Yeah, we do. Okay, perfect. So we're bearish here. Okay. So we got 2 time frame bearish. Of course, day trade can be interesting, but my problem is we are at this area on the weekly. So yes, if you're looking at day trade, it can be interesting to come down, but and again, to come down where? To come down in this, you know what? Let's identify that golden zone actually. So it can be also a target if you're going day trade, which is intraday, um, which is also counter trend trade against the high time frame. But since you have the data in the 4 hour in sync, it can be legit. You know, it can be a legit trade, knowing that this is the area where we might reject. You can capitalize and get a move down there, right? So let's see now on the 4 hour. Personally, um, let's take a look at the daily again. Yeah, I mean, if the daily does something like this, that can be interesting. That can be interesting, especially that GJ. This is my pair that I usually scalp, so day trade I would be willing to do it on this one. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour. Yeah, I think I would wait to see if we break this area here. Yeah, yeah. Plus, this is a major QP right there. Oh, definitely. Okay, let's identify that. Major QP right here. Fuck. There we go. We gonna put major QP right here. So yeah, so if 4 hour comes down here, and doing break retest here to the golden zone, I would be very interested for that day trade. So I'm gonna place an alert here. GJ at major QP 188. There we go. Perfect. All right. First alert set. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Should I do my steps? Man, I don't know, man. I'm so tired. I might do it in a couple of minutes. Okay, next on. We got NZD CAD. We are moving, guys. All right, let's go. Looking at the weekly time frame here. So NZD CAD, we are bullish on the weekly time frame. Okay, great. Nothing else very interesting on the weekly. But of course, I mean, the problem is this area here on the weekly. Like if you look here, this area is very annoying. So this area is very, very annoying, which is also a major QP actually. So I don't know. Let's take a look at the daily. Data is bullish. Yeah, this is a trade I was really interested in. If we had a pullback here to continue to the upside, this is something we've been looking since I think last week or 2 weeks ago. Actually, we identified that trade idea, but the 4 hour didn't play out as oh shit it did. Oh look, I missed it while I was traveling. Okay, that sucks. Um, hmm. Yeah, that really sucks. Look at this. Right inside that golden zone on 4 hour. Shit. Horrible. Okay, let me check just for learning purposes. Did we add any entry on the lower time frame? Just want to see if I missed anything. 2 hours. Okay. No. 1 hour. Looking at 1 hour, we are bullish from here to here. We have the pullback. No, not really. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yep, yep, right here. Right here. That's 30-minute candle. Hold on, wait a second though. Is 30-minute was bullish or bearish? So if you're looking here, we are bullish, 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 still bullish, still bullish. Boom, became bearish, bearish, bearish. Oops, bullish. Boom, bearish. Okay, so anything in here, whatever. Yeah, it looks like we didn't have any entry here because here we're bearish. And even if we go up here, I mean, that would be like somewhere around here. I would not take this because the stop loss would make no sense. So, okay, so I didn't miss anything. Okay, great. Good to know. I always love to do this when I have a feeling that I missed something, either to confirm that I didn't miss or confirm that I missed. And then if I missed, I want to understand why and how, and to make sure that next time I don't miss. Of course, there nothing that can prevent you being in a plane while you can trade, right? There's some planes that have Wi-Fi, but some of them don't. Like my last flight didn't have any Wi-Fi, so it's part of the game. Okay, so now what's up? What's next here? Let's take a look. 4 hours having this pullback. Can we have a continuation trade here? So here we had the safety net. So all depends how this candle close. It's either we forget about this trade idea or we might have a chance for continuation. So I'm gonna keep NZD CAD up here. It's still valid, but not perfect. Let's take a look at NZD USD, guys. News coming. Hold on. Did I saw something popping up? Kumar, news coming. Yeah, CPI, but it's later on though. Hold on. I'm kind of all messed up now with time, because we are on daylight time. Where am I going here? Usually my things show up first. Okay, cool. Let's see what time is that CPI. Oh, it's earlier than what I thought. Okay, so it's in 40 minutes. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be madness. But it's okay. I don't trade during the news. I plan though. I wait for the storm to pass and I see after. Okay, so very interesting. GPPNZD. If you're looking at the weekly time frame, we're clearly bullish. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Like we planned this last week. I mean, not more than last week. We planned this since we had this bearish candle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So almost 5, 6 weeks ago, we planned this pullback here. Boom. You know, it happened. It worked out pretty nicely. Now the daily went, oh, it was still bullish here. We respected it, okay. But we did miss that trade. Okay, so now what's up now? Now we are bearish. Okay, and we didn't do what I wanted here. So yeah, we have no choice. We gotta wait for either price. Oops, sorry guys. Let me delete this. Here we go. So we got to wait for price to either break above here to become bullish or create a lower low like here and doing this retest, continue to the upside. Okay, one and the other. So right now, GN, I'm just going to put it blue right now because it's not top. Still going to keep it up there. NZD USD, did we do NZD USD? I think I skipped NZD USD. Did I? Hold on, wait a second. No, we just did it, right? No, we didn't do it. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's do NZD USD. And guys, if you have any pair that you want to look at, let me know. All right, so again, we had the pullback inside weekly golden zone on the daily time frame. We are bullish. We had the pullback. Awesome. Now, if you look in the 4 hour, oh yeah, we had no chance to enter that trade. This trade just went straight the fuck up. It just like we went bearish here again, while we're still bearish, and boom, bearish to here. I was expecting a pullback, no pullback. And again, that this comes down to, and I told you guys, sometimes if you wait for confirmation, you will miss moves. Okay, it will happen. It's a fact. It's normal, and it's okay. Don't be mad about it. It's okay. But now seems like we're starting to have this pullback. So, which is great. We're gonna finally have an opportunity here. We don't really have any elbow in here. Okay, so would expect like a pullback, probably somewhere around that area. I'm telling you, this is not fair. Like my eyes are so trained to this shit that I knew that this was around this golden zone. Okay, cool. So we're gonna identify that because this looks pretty dope. Um, Here we go. H4 golden zone. Yeah, I think this is starting to look very interesting. Let's do this. And entering H4 GZ. Here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect. Okay, GN, we just did it. GCAD. Stand by on GCAD. Okay, guys, I feel like I need to do my steps now. I think I'm awake. So, do you mind waiting 1 minute? I'll go grab my shoes and we're gonna set this thing up. Let's do this. Okay, bear with me. I'll be back in 30 seconds. All right, guys, I'm back. All right, we're ready to rock. Let me close the heating system. Hein? Non, non, mais je l'enlève en cours de route. Okay. I'm not crazy, guys, I swear. Just trying to get back in shape. Okay. Okay. We are good to go. Let's adjust this camera. I swear this sound last time just take a couple of seconds. I don't know why it's doing this. Maybe it needs oils. Hopefully it's gonna stop soon. Last time it took like 30 seconds. Okay. Oh, it's already better. Ah, now we're good. Okay, sorry guys about that. Ah, moving, it's already feeling better. I don't know why. It just like pumps the bloods out, you know, instead of being lazy. Let's go. Let's fight this market. Okay. Okay, we're good. Okay. Hopefully no one clipped that. Um, okay, so GCAD. Let's check it out. GCAD weekly time frame. Oh, look, this is beautiful. This in the next couple of weeks should be nice. Let's identify here some areas on the weekly. I think this is a solid area right here. Weekly area of interest. And people, maybe you don't understand why I'm putting it here, but if you look to the left, look, we got another resistance here, another one here. We got support, resistance, a good one. Now let's go check if we got something here. Here is also not so great. This one, we already broke it, so it's okay. Oh, and look, we are right here. I just didn't realize, but we are right at this weekly area of interest right now. Okay, great. Now, if you're looking at the daily time frame, we broke this previous structure, so let's clean this. Okay, and now let's take a look at our daily fib just for fun. All right, we reject the safety net. Let's see where this candle might close. 4 hour. 4 hour right now is still bullish, but not by much. Okay, so this one not so great so far. So I'm gonna keep it blue because it's still very interesting, but I don't think it's close to be ready. EuroCAD. I like the like ratio right now, guys. Thank you so much. Keep smashing that like button. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Here, EuroCAD. Okay. EuroCAD weekly, we are bullish. We reject it. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Like right at the weekly area of interest, which is also weekly golden zone, which is also a major QP. Okay. So now let's take a look at the daily. So this is the one where we took 3 trades on that leg up. Took a loss here, but that's okay. The two other one was a win. Actually, let's clean this. So, because we already broke all those trades during Forex Talk over beer. So, if you want to check it out, be my guest. You can check out the replay. Now the daily is having a small pullback. Let's take a look at 4 hour. 4 hour is still bearish. Let me put an alert here saying H4 going bullish. So we gotta wait. So we're gonna drop that one. AD GPY. AD GPY. We are still bullish. Look at this weekly time frame. Look at this. We reject the safety net on the dot. Okay, and we're probably gonna be closing in that golden zone. Okay, cool. Let's delete all this, clean the chart. Daily. So you see, this is a note I had last week. We're gonna go check it out. Daily is right now. Daily is bearish. Okay. Daily lower low and daily lower high. This is very important to identify your lower highs and lower lows, guys. It's gonna be so much better on your chart, less confusing. Let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame. All right, cool. Let's delete this. We still need H4 to go bullish. So I'm gonna place an alert here. Okay. Okay, so this is the pair ad from last week, but didn't check other potential. So let's go check what we got here. I think someone shared something. And sorry, I'm late on the chat here. So don't be shy to ask some question. I will look at those. Krish, sharing my EG chart on Discord private chat. Currently outside, so it would from phone. Oh, okay. News coming. Yes. Vanessa, bonjour Sasha. Can you take a look at GJ, please? Yes. We actually we started with GJ, but I'll go back to it for sure. Chris, check out Discord Sensei. I've used it. Okay. Chart is okay. I'll go check it out. News is on USD. So can you give an answer? Yeah, sure. Yeah, we'll look at your USD. Let me check here. Chart. Let's go check Chris chart here. Okay, so what we got here? We got my face right there, but we got Euro, GPP. So we got the weekly bearish, daily bearish. Actually, let me put the screen bigger. Okay, we got a weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4-hour bearish. Good. We are the weekly area of interest, weekly previous structure, weekly engulfing, weekly head and shoulders, daily area of interest, daily previous structure, and that looks solid. Waiting SOS and engulfing to take the trade. Okay, this looks good, Krish. I didn't look at it at all, but we'll go take a look. Look like we have the move down, we got the pullback. This seems legit, Krish. Man, Krish is working very great, very good. Good job, man. All right, so let's go check it out. Euro GPP, where are you? Euro GPP. Oh, right here. It's been a while. I didn't look at it. You can tell I got nothing on my chart. Oh yeah, okay. So let's take a look at the bigger picture here, just to understand. So from here to here, we are bearish. Okay, perfect. We create a lower low. Just want to make sure that there's no other push that we forgot. Okay. So this is something I do when I don't have any markings on my charts. I go back to the history just to make sure, we're good here. So we're bearish, boom, boom, bullish. So from there to there, I'm not going to change the color right now because we're probably going to be changing it. Okay, so from there to there was bullish. From here to here, we created a new high. Once we broke under here, we flipped bearish here. You see how much easier it is with lines? Look at this. And here we were bearish, and now we just created a lower low. We just created a new lower low. Okay. And this is a pretty solid area of interest. See, this is how I do a chart from scratch, guys. Let me remove the shirt. You see, I'm concept. I'm coming from Paris. Notre Dame de Paris, guys. Let's go. Um, okay, so we got the weekly bearish. We got the first area of interest. Great. Look like we're gonna break it, but we have another area of interest right here. So we got support, 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 support. So that's another one. Cool. Let's take a look at the daily now. All right, guys, keep smashing that goddamn like button. Oh shoot, forgot to identify that as a weekly. Weekly lower high and weekly lower low. Perfect. Let's go back to the daily. Um, so daily, what is this line here? Do you have other lines? Oh, okay. I just want to check something. So add okay from there to there. Look like I had some lines on the daily chart though. Here we flipped bearish. You see, we are bearish here since this is the move down here since February 2013. So we didn't create any lower low, so we're just ranging in that area right now. I don't like when the daily is ranging like this, to be honest. This is not something I'm a big fan. Look at this. Look at this move sideways. Let's put the red rectangle. Boom. You see, we're moving sideways. We're not trending on the daily, so that can be quite dangerous and more risky. Okay, because price can be just trapping there for a little while. Of course, we got news coming in, so maybe it's gonna shake things up, even instead of USD news, because those are two major pair, and it can be impacted by another major pair, right? Because they all do business all together. Okay, so what about now? What about the 4-hour time frame? And we'll do a recap. So the 4-hour, I shouldn't delete those lines. I can use it. All right. So okay, so now if we do this again, now this one, we can delete that one. We broke that one. I'm always trying to keep my chart the cleanest possible. Okay. So weekly, let's recap this. So we got a weekly bearish. We got the daily bearish, but stuck in a range. Um, yeah, I don't know, Krish. I'm not a big fan right now. It looks clean, but every time frame are bearish. But look at this. Look at this pullback. Like right now, we're about to flip bullish on the 4-hour. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm not excited about that one. Maybe I'm wrong, but not excited. Um, yeah, we destroyed the safety net. I mean, look, we clearly destroyed that safety net. So, not super interested. And same thing on the daily. If you look on the daily, starting from there to there, I mean, we had many opportunity here that we broke the safety net. I mean, we come down. I just like it's a mess. Fib works great when it's trending. um, Yeah, that is shit. Only plus point is weekly close under very. Yeah, that I agree. Yeah, that I agree. Um, 4 gets bullish. It shit. Yeah, totally. We forgot about this. Okay, so you guys have any other interesting? Oh yeah, someone says Euro USD. Um, here. Okay, so here is Euro USD. So we're bearish since July. We're bearish since July 17, 2023. Um, and since then, we're not trending. We're just like playing around. Let's take a look at the daily. So we got the weekly bearish. We had the pullback inside that golden zone. And look what we have here. A potential shampoo pattern. Maybe, you know, maybe we have a potential shampoo pattern. We don't know yet. Um, daily. Okay, so daily is we went bearish from here to here. And after that, we went bullish here. All right. And we create a new high here. Great. So daily high low. Perfect. Okay. So now we got a weekly. We got a weekly bearish. We got the daily bullish. And what about the 4 hour? 4 hour must be bullish. Yes. So 4 hour. Actually, we got an elbow here. So we are bearish right now. So we got a 4 hour bearish, the daily bullish, the weekly bearish. We got nothing in sync, so we forget about that one. Cool. What's up next? What's up next, ladies and gentlemen? Tell me what you have in mind. Um, NZDGPY, I think we did it, no? Did we? Maybe not. Hold on. Steezy FX, what's up, buddy? How you doing? A little late, but we're here, fired up. Let's go. USD CAD. Damn, you guys make me work. Okay. Guys, I have no pity for the guy that just had like a fucking 6 hours jet lag, right? You guys don't care. It's okay. All right, so let's start with NZDGPY. Okay, check NZDGPY. Need someone to do a rhyme with NZDGPY. I have a feeling we did it. No, did we? Maybe not. Okay, so NZDGPY. I love NZDGPY, by the way. I don't know why. I just had so many great wins on NZDGPY. Maybe that's why. You know. I guess it's like I was about to say something completely stupid. I was about to say it's like a woman, you know, if you have good sex with it, it's just I guess you like it, right? So I'm so dumb sometimes. Okay, let's take a look. Let's focus sessions. Focus. ADHD is whew, sometimes. Okay, weekly. We're bullish. We have the pullback. We are at the safety net. We broke the weekly area of interest here, so let's delete that one. Do we have anything else? We have one here, which is the previous structure. So we are at this previous structure. Let's take a look at the daily, though. Daily. Whoa. What's up with that fib? That is confusing as fuck. Whoa. Delete. Abort. Okay. What about the daily? Daily is bearish. And we don't really have an elbow here. Okay. And this is clearly a daily area of interest. This it's previous structure, but this is a clearly daily area of interest. So we're gonna mark it down. Perfect. Cool. Major QP was 91. We broke it. 90 is up here. Okay. And what about 4 hours? 4 hours. 4 hours. I mean, no elbow, no elbow, no elbows. Damn. Okay. So yeah, 4 hours bearish. So we have the weekly bullish, we have the daily bearish, and the 4 hour bearish. And to be honest, even if we have the 4 hour and the daily bearish, in this case, I would not be willing to take the trade short for a day trade. And here's the reason. We are at this daily area of interest on the weekly, and we are at a point where we are at the safety net, which is the last area for rejection. So if I'm taking this down, if I'm taking this trade down for a day trade, odds are against me, because this is the area where we might see something to push up, right? I would be willing to take a day trade if, let's say, the trade was like somewhere in here, and I know I have room because price is going in this area before pushing up. You guys get this? This is the difference where you want to take a counter trend trade or not. Okay, this have to make sense for you guys. You need to get this. If not, you're gonna get screwed. I'm telling you, lost money doing that. So yeah, I mean, yeah, this trade still look interesting, even if it's not in sync yet. I kind of like it ish, so I'm gonna put it blue and put it up here. I want to keep an eye on it because I like the way it's trending on daily. Look at it. This is beautiful. Like, I love when they have this big push, big pullback, and we can continue to the upside. It's so much easier to trade when it's trending, guys. So focus on the one that's trending nice, not the one that's playing around and moving sideways. Those, I call that the dog shit area, where you put your step, you're slipping on shit, right? And if you're slipping, you fall, and when you fall, you lose your account. What the fuck I just said? I don't know. Sometime, yeah. Anyways, okay. USD CAD, Amy, let's do it. USD CAD, I call it my vacation money. I don't really like to trade USD CAD, to be honest. I'm usually looking at it to buy and hold for my vacation money. And the last time I bought a shit ton at, where was it? Do I still have those lines? Oh, I don't, because I changed for Olenda. But yeah, I was buying a shit ton like at, when was that? That was somewhere in that dip in 2021, around 122, 125. Yeah, that was good. So those are my cruise money. Okay, so now let's focus. So if you look at this, I mean, weekly's been bullish for a while, since what? Since September 2022. Since then, we're just moving sideways on the weekly. If you're looking at the daily is quite horrible also. If you're looking here, well, we got a big push down. And since then, we're just playing around between those two lines, between 136, which is a major QP, and 132, which is the other major QP. And look at this 135 major QP. Look at how many times it got reached and pulled back and rejected. So I don't know. Okay, let's take a look maybe on the day trade. Weekly. Yeah, the thing is, Yeah. What about 4 hours? 4 hours now is, hold on, where's that line? There, from there to there. Okay, from there to there. We want bullish. Okay, so, and here we flip bullish here, and we want bearish. Okay, so we got the daily bearish, we got a 4 hour bearish. Yes, it could be a nice day trade, but you can tell that there's accumulation here for CPI happening in 5 minutes. So get ready for fireworks. So yeah, I'm not really interested, Amy, in USD CAD. I don't think it's that much clean. I think we got some nicer opportunity up here, up there in those pairs. And again, guys, trading is playing with the odds, right? You want to make sure that you put the odds on your side. So is it better to play with a pair that's trending or ranging? And the answer is easy. It's trending, right? So um, don't hurt yourself by trying to do something a little funky and a little cowboy. I'm sure it's not for that you're looking at this. But some people out there, they like, oh yeah, I got that sniper entry. That is so. There's no such thing as a sniper entry. That's so fucking bullshit. Um, just don't do this for the gram. Do this for yourself. Do you see me posting like all kind of bullshit and money thing? And I don't. I don't care. You know, you should. You should not care about these things. These things. Um, just do it for yourself, and this will change the way you trade. I'm telling you guys. If you trade for yourself and not for the other one, it will change. It changed for me big time. You know, at first I was like posting all my shit. You know, it's like, oh, this is so very important, like what people think about me. You know, and after a couple of years, I was like, fuck this shit. Who am I trading for? For myself and my family. The rest, sorry guys, I like all of you, but no one will come here and pay my bills and do my stuff, right? So, I mean, just being honest, you know. So, yeah, at the end of the day, that's what it is. Um, okay, any other pair? Let's check. Let's check the chat here. Sensei, could you check daily lower low and lower high again on EG from starting as you would do on a fresh chart, please? Yeah, yeah, we'll go check it out. How you make disappear your HH line every? Oh, okay, yeah, that's a good one. Um, I basically created templates. So on each template here, if we go on settings, so of course at first it's a pain in the butt, but you have to do it once. And once it's done, it's done. So what I do is I go on visibility and I select only 4 hours. You know, that's it. Only show on 4 hours. So by doing so, that line will not show on daily. You see? Only my daily. Now if I go on the daily and I go on visibility, you see? One day. Set. So I uncheck all the others. And I save it as a template. So you go here and you click save drawing template as, and you give it a name, and that's it. So when you redo your chart, it goes fast because the only thing you have to select is this. So yeah, let's say that this one I select by mistake 4 hour high low, just for say. You see, it disappeared because it's going on the H4 time frame. Now if we go on the H4 time frame, this line's right there. You see? So yeah, it's a good question because I think it can help a lot of people if you set your chart like that. So good one, Mantes. Thank you for the question. Guys, keep smashing that like button. JD, I'm short on the USD CAD. All right. All right. Hold on. Buckle up. Because in a couple seconds, we're going to see some fireworks. Let's go on the 30-minute time frame. We're about to see some fireworks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fireworks. Oh, and did you say you were on a buy on a short? And that's how people blow accounts. Yeah, because you probably got slipped 100 pips. That sucks, man. I'm really sorry for you. I'm really, really sorry. But that happened to me once, like a couple of years ago. I got slipped, like I think it was like 70 something pips. Yeah, even if you have a stop loss, who cares? Because when news happen, shit happen. Yep, that's why CPI now is worse than NFP now these days. Back then, when I got started, NFP was the thing. Now NFP is kind of and now it went up, grab liquidity, and probably that it's going to be end up going short. And maybe you were right, but the problem with news like this, shit happened. So yeah, fireworks. You see? Oh, oh. So yeah, this shit is crazy. We got an alert popped out. Which one was that? That's not an alert. Which one was it? Which one was it? NZD USD entering H4. Yeah, I guess so. Probably just not entered. It probably fucking smashed it. Look at this. Look at this. Wham! Holy. Yeah, that was crazy. What about gold? Gold must be all over the place. Oh, not so bad. Not so bad. I'm surprised. But NZD USD now it's interesting. We're getting I think NZD USD is going to be looking super nice. Yeah, I'm actually excited for that one. Yeah, that makes sense. So now news went down, and after that, usually market tends to correct the move. So we drop down, grab liquidity, and ready to push up. So that's why I tell people when there's news like this, I mean, if you are in a trade, not all the news, okay? Because people tend to freak out with news sometimes. They're like kind of going crazy with it. And suddenly when there's news, they exit all of their position or they start to, I mean, listen, it's all not every news has an impact like this. CPI and NFP mostly are the one that has the biggest volume, okay? So if you're not in a trade, what I like to tell people is like, wait for the storm to pass. And this is always the same analogy I use. It's like, let's say you want to go boating, okay? You want to go on a boat, but they're announcing a huge thunderstorm wave of 6, 10, 12, 20 feet high. And you say, yeah, that's going to be a good idea. Let's ride, let's have fun. The result can be pretty nasty out there, But if they say, hey, they announce a huge thunderstorm, those big waves and everything, and you stay put, and you look at the storm, and the storm pass, and what we do see after, we see calm after the storm, right? So suddenly the ocean is nice and calm, ready for a nice ride. So this is the same, okay? So let the storm pass and enjoy a nice little ride to the upside or the downside, whatever the direction of your trade that you're looking for. And if you miss it, you miss it. Who cares? Forex is going to be there tomorrow, and the day after, and the weeks after, and a year after, So who cares? Same thing with success. If you don't have success right now, who cares? Just take your time. It will come. If you don't stop, it will come. Okay, so now let's get serious with this shit. Where's my 30-minute lanes? Okay, wait a second. Here we're bullish. What about 1 hour? Okay, 1 hour. All right. So let's put this up here. Oops. Put this up here. Okay, so where are we at? So we were bullish from there to there, right? And we went bearish from here to here. Did we broke under here? I'm gonna have to zoom in to make sure. So sometimes you have to zoom in and look at this. When you zoom in very much, because you have to be precise sometimes. Like this one, we have to be very precise. Oh, we're still bullish because we. And look at this trade now coming back down like crazy. Look like we kind of closed it at the exact same place. Yep. Okay. So, wow, this is one of the closest one I ever, maybe not ever seen, but seen for a little while. Okay. So we're still bearish technically here on the 1 hour. So H1 lower low, perfect. So it looks like we're still bearish here. Okay. So what about the 30-minute? Where is my lines? I got one here. Where's the other one? The other one's right here. Okay, so 30 minutes from there to there. Actually, from here to here. Yep. Oops. 30 minutes there. Here we go. Cool. All right. So right now, I mean, this 30-minute, if it closes above there, it's going to be bullish. 1 hour is not bullish yet. So yeah, well, I mean, we're going to keep an eye on that one. But NZD USD clearly look nice. Look at this huge ass wick. Holy shit. Look at how much power now. How much fuel. This is rocket fuel. That's how I call those wicks. Rocket fuel. Or submarine power if it goes the other way. But yeah, this wow. Okay, let's go check the chat here. Jay, I'm sure. Oh yeah, sorry about that. I'm sorry. It's a good one. All right, thank you. You're welcome, Amy. You're welcome. Should we get popcorn and cola? Yeah, man. That was good fireworks. That was good fireworks right there. David, when did you start trading? Just curious. Oh man, I lose track of time, to be honest. I suck at that. I forgot my age sometimes. I would say maybe 6. Yeah, maybe 6, 5, 6 years ago. Maybe 7. Around there. Sorry, man. I clearly sucks at that. Eurocad. Yeah, we talk about Eurocad. If you rewind the stream a bit, you'll see it. Yeah, we did. And you remember, guys, I said probably that Eurocad's also going to be impacted. Look at this. Look at this. And Euro USD, same thing. Why? And Euro GBP probably is going to be impacted also, since those are all major pairs and they all do business between each other, those countries. Look at that 15-minute. Look, boom. Huge wick to the upside. Boom, we're coming down. So it's not because it's a USD news that other pairs are not impacted. Especially if you're trading another major. Thank you, Emmy. Thank you. Yeah, any other good pairs you guys saw out there? Because honestly, just came back from Paris and didn't have time to look at all the pairs. But if you have any other one that looks interesting, don't be shy. Let me know. No judgment. We're here to learn. But let's go back to GJ for one sec. Look at. You see, this is a perfect example. GG has no USD pair, right? But GG has two major, and those two countries makes a lot of business with the US, right? So look at this. Look at that 15-minute candle. Bam. Especially CPI. So yep. Exciting moment. Let me go see the chat. Oh yeah, Chris, sorry man, forgot. Sorry, bud. Eurocad, but need to break the H4 lower high. Yeah, Eurocad. Where is it? Eurocad, and we'll go right after on EJ. Eurocad. What did we say again? We got the weekly. Weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish, right? Now we need that pullback. 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour right now. We need to go back bullish again because we're bearish. Yeah, you're right. That's exactly it. Yes. You got the plan, Yuan. Is that Yuan? Yeah. So you got the plan, Yuan. Okay, AG. You want to see EG. Euro GPP. Where are you, dude? The fuck? Hold on. Euro GPP. The fuck? Oh, here. Sorry, guys. Okay, so your question was. Let me try to find your question. So can you check daily lower low? Okay, so daily first. Let's go there. Daily lower low. Daily lower low and low high again on EG from starting add. What do you mean by add? You would do on fresh chart. Oh. I mean, you want to go back. If I start from a fresh start, I want to go back and see exactly like where is my first lower low or higher high, and I want to start from there to make sure I don't forget anything, right? So here, I can clearly see that we don't have a lower low. We don't have a low lower than this one, So here it's easy. So you start from there to there, and you move your lines after. Boom, boom, boom. And we went bullish from here to here, bearish from there to there. After that, we got a pullback. We broke under. We had a lower low from here to here. And after that, we have a pullback, and we got our next lower low. So hopefully that makes sense. There's no other elbows. There? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you would say that, but since it's only like a small doji here in between, for me it's a write-off candle. So you move those candles side to side, there's no more elbows, right? So it's not a sharp turn. This is an indecision candle. Like this for me has no value. So it's a straight down line. Like this. So yeah. And again, I like prior to maybe a year or two ago. Where's that tool? Hold on. Let me just erase that. I was including what the fuck. I hate that tool. It's so hard to get rid of. Here we go. Yeah. Maybe a year or two ago, I can't remember. Like I said, I suck at time. I was including that as an elbow, and more than often I was losing by using so I decided for me it's not working, so this is how I do it now. So but you got to test it for yourself, guys. I'm not saying my way is the best way, this way is the best way. You got to experience it and test it out, and not test it for a week or two. That's not test. I'm talking about months, months of keeping tracks of your trades. You know, yeah, I mean, keep tracks of your trade, learn about it, learn about your mistakes. It's very important. Learn about your winnings. And sometimes, nice little tips here. Don't spend more time understanding your loser. Spend more time understanding your winners. I don't know if that makes sense for you guys, but that, for me, it was a aha moment, you know? So, let's see here. Oh man, thing I learned from you, and I keep forgetting it. Not to count Doji as an elbow. Yeah, that's fine, bro. I mean, takes months and years, to keep track of all those little things, and get your memory and your brain on it. Where you live in the U.S.? No, I'm in Canada, Montreal. Yes, sir. We got some snow yesterday. Probably gonna go ski this weekend. USD CAD again? Why? Why you want to do USD CAD again? So, tell me, Jay, what's up? What's up? What's up with the USD CAD? What is up? What's going on here? What am I looking for? Help me, Jay. Jay, need your help. Why are we looking? Why are we looking? People got excited about that doji, that engulfing here, but don't forget we're bullish on the weekly. We're bullish since here. We're bullish since September 2022, and we're just playing sideways on the weekly. Looking at the daily, yeah, it's cool. It is bearish. 4 hours bearish. It can be a nice day trade, but again, I don't like the fact that on the weekly we didn't respect the trend and the point. So for me, like I said, I'm not saying it's not going to work. It can be a nice little day trade, but I prefer to put odds on my side and go for a safer trade. I just don't like this bullshit here. And with this wick here, you should get some nice little power to go to the downside. Yep, this should be good, to be honest. It can be good. I'm personally not interested. I would be interested if where is it? Well, not even actually. Yeah, no, forget what I just said. Hold on, wait a second. What's up with this H1 line? That's a H1 line is okay. So here, let's update that H1 line. So this went bullish, right? Here we went bearish, bullish, bullish here, and after that we kind of broke under here. So from there to there, and after that there to there, and now H1 is bullish right now. So if you want to take it down, you clearly need H1 to go bearish. 30 minutes also bullish. $30-minute bull. So yeah, it's not ready to go to the downside. We're bullish on the 1 hour and 30-minute, and 4 hours bearish. So yeah. So at 150, yes sir. Yeah, that makes my day. That makes my day big fucking time, guys. Yeah. Man, look at all those buys I did. Woohoo! Look at all those yellow lines. Bought a shit ton over there. Yep. Let's go, baby. Everyone that faded Solana, you guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Solana is the shit. Um, I believe in Solana way more than BTC. BTC sucks. BTC is like such an old school technology. But the other one you want to check, and again, this is no financial advice. Do your own research. But Crown, baby, Crown. Take a look at fucking Crown. Let me check here. And Crown's having a nice little pullback here, so it can be a nice little entry. So Crown is a token for a game called Photo Finish, which is rocking. Pretty good. Let's take a look at the daily time frame here. Yeah, pretty good. You see, we got some accumulation here. We actually in that golden zone right here. Oh, whoops, wrong tool. Where's the fib? Here. Yeah, we're right at this golden zone, safety net area. Look at this accumulation right here, ready to go do the next higher high, the next all-time high. So all-time high now is literally like at $2. Yeah, this is good. This is good. It's really good. Oh, by the way, if you've been following a little bit of I got my personal own stable, but this is the stable I created for Soul Dog City, and which is pretty cool because we got a new baby. It was full day yesterday, so basically all the all the mares got their babies, and so if you look here, we had Brickton Rock here that was pregnant, and we got this nice S minus filly. So pretty cool for Soul Dog City. So it's an NFT project that if you can buy, you can be part owner of that stable, and there's way much more. But yeah. Do you like Pepe coin? No, I don't like any fucking stupid coin that don't have no purposes. Um, I don't like the meme coins. I don't like much altcoins. For me, that's too much money in those. And for me is I'm only buying coins that have real purpose. Not that they're gonna be doing something, because they all have a plan. They all be, yeah, we're gonna have a purpose. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do that. I don't think that's going on now. So so Crown is crazy, guys. Telling you, Crown is. Never seen a coin like that. So which is your top pair this week? Yeah. Okay. So right now, okay, let's do a recap. What's going on with my mouse? Okay. Let's do a recap. You got to Sol USD chart and you watch this. Yes. Okay. So that's a good question. I'll show you, because this is prior to the fuck, I forgot. The big scam that happened with God damn it, how can I forget this name? The exchange. God, I got a blank. FTX. So this was the FTX chart, and this is where I bought a ton of Solana also. Look at all those yellow lines. Bought shit ton also at around 20, 30, 40. So this is all my other purchases. And this is where my first Solana got bought, at 85. So even the one I bought it at first, and this is where like very low. So I was buying like very low amount because I was just getting started. So I was learning everything about Solana. So my most expensive one was 112. So even that most expensive one right now is in profit. But most of my purchases was I did quite a lot around the 30 area, and I did a shit ton around the 12 area. So yeah. So that's why I got two charts. I keep that chart there because I want to remember where was all my entries. So that's the reason why. Okay, so top pair. So top pair, I think GJ might look nice, to be honest. I would love to trade GJ if it looks nice. Um, oh no, the daily went bearish now. So yeah, but GJ though, yeah, okay, that's it. GJ day trade, yeah, GJ day trade, and the reason why it's because we have room for the next golden zone, which is right in here. Oh, actually, this starting to be looking nice. I would love to break that major QP though, because look at all those wicks. Rejection, rejection, rejection. But here is something I might do, because this is my dogtail setup. This is actually beautiful. Let me get my computer ready, because this shit. So the dogtail setup on H4, this is the only pair I do this. So I wait for that 9 a.m. It's very specific. Well, now the time is not good because we moved forward like with daylight saving. But that 4 hour candle, I need to create the wick up. And once we start breaking the low here, this is where I take my entry and took it down. This is more like a scalp approach. So honestly, right now, I don't have like entity CAD. I don't have anything that's super, super nice. Entity USD looks quite nice. Entity CAD is okay. So let's recap here. So the weekly, here we are bullish. Daily, we are bullish. We had the pullback. Yeah, for this one, it's going to be continuation trade. So let's see if we can get a continuation trade. Lower time frame went bullish, so we're bearish here. So H1, lower low. H1, lower high. So I think on the 30-minute and the 1 hour, if we can have a nice engulfing candle, that can be quite nice. But if 30-minute close above here, that's going to suck though. So here, 30-minute bear, 30-minute bear. Here, do we have an elbow here? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Cool. All right, so if we close above here, I'm gonna wait for the 30 minutes to go back bearish, and maybe probably gonna take that trade for a day trade. NZD USD. Yeah, this one's probably the cleanest one. And again, I cannot say it's all my favorite pair. I'm gonna go through all the other pairs later on. I just didn't have time. I just came back from Paris, like I said before. Yeah, so into the USD, we need the 1 hour to go bullish. So the best thing would be for price to continue doing something like this, retest here, take it to the upside. That would be the best. Yep. Yeah, I think NZD USD is probably one of the nicest one out there right now. I mean, the one that we looked. Yeah. All right. So let's see here. What time is it? Oh shit, 9. Okay. So which okay, we answer that. You got two. So yeah, we answer that. Please look at NZDCHF. Okay, that's an interesting one. We didn't look. Next is Soul Dogs. Let's get that thing to the fucking moon. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, that was actually the hoodie I was wearing. This is that's actually a Soul Dogs. Damn, this guy's fire. Um, All right, NZDCHF. This has to be nice. NZDCHF. I swear, I think I don't have NZDCHF. Do I? Wow, I don't have NZDCHF. Okay, so you guys up for a treat? We're gonna do this. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna do. Did you have merch? Not yet. Actually, no, that's not true. I think they have some. That's when I did custom made. Um, okay, so you're up for a treat, guys. We're gonna do a chart from scratch. NZDCHF sucks. Don't mind me. LOL. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna look. If it looks sucky, we're not gonna do it. But okay, let me add. Where's my plus sign? Oh, here we go. NZDCHF. Usually, all CHF bear kind of sucks, to be honest. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Okay, first, we're looking at the weekly here. So I'm going to look at the big picture, see where we're at on the big picture. Because this is a chart I never looked. We are at the lowest point, one of the lowest point in like since fucking 2005, since the beginning of this chart. So you know, you're not going to be able to find a lot of area of interest, so that makes already things complicated. But let's start. Let's see. So this is the weekly. We got the weekly, and we are bearish here, right? So weekly lower low, daily. Daily went bearish from here to here. So this is very simple. This is what I do every time with a new chart. So we're still bearish. We're just playing sideways. 4 hours. And I'm curious, guys, because it's been a couple of you guys that send me charts like that to check. I'm just curious, what do you find attractive in those charts? I mean, it's a true question, because so next time what I'll do is send me a pair and at least give me like why you're interested in it, you know, so we can help you, because you see, this is not trending. This is moving sideways. We're not trending. We didn't create a new lower low or higher high since what? Since October 2023. Like, that's how people get trapped in losing their accounts, because you're trading in a range. Yeah, no, this is disgusting. And again, nothing against you, bud. You know, it's just, I don't know. Yeah, no, sorry, NZDCHF doesn't do the cut. Hasta la vista, NZDCHF. Not only NZDCHF, also, yeah, that's exactly what I said. Yeah, all CHF pair sucks. Most of the time. Actually, I think I actually had maybe 1 or 2 trades ever, like in the past 5, 6, 7 years. I can't even remember when I started. Yeah. So that's it. I guess that's it, guys. Let me see here. Bam. So again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. That was a pleasure. It feels good to be back. We're going to be live again Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer, so make sure to tune in. We're going to break down some charts, give you some winning trades that we had or losing trades, but we're going to break all those downs for you. So share it to your friends, and I'll see you there Thursday night, guys. Thank you, and have an amazing day. Take care.